My name is Jeremy Foran. I work for BAI Canada, and we own infrastructure in urban subway systems. We have a lot of different businesses. One of those businesses that's based off the fiber optic network is public-facing Wi-Fi. A big piece is now this collection of data for the operations. So making sure that all the various components that are involved in delivering public Wi-Fi are all working and functioning. A lot of people don't really understand how complex that is, but it gets very intricate very quickly. And we have close to 500,000 Wi-Fi sessions a day. So when something happens where a user writes some comment that says something like, try to use the Wi-Fi and it sucks, right? It's really hard to figure out what that means. But there have been times where we were able to key in and make a tweak to our system and increase performance for everyone as a result. So it was very important for us to collect the logs from all these various systems and bring them into a central place where we can search across time and see what's going on. So we had a sales team out there, and they were approaching customers, and the customer would say, well, I want to know how many people use the Wi-Fi in this area of the city between this hour and this hour. Well, we turned that around, and the developers who are writing scripts against gigs of text files, it took them a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks to come back with an answer. And by that time, the customer had already moved on. I said, hey, we're using Logstash for some other services. Why don't I take a stab at this as a means of empowering the sales team to get answers to questions they have in order to make the sale and generate revenue. What happened is, after we had it built, it became this success story internally, and other people from other departments said, well, could we use it to do this, and can we use it to do that? And the answer almost always was yes, absolutely. In the office, we had a competition to see who could guess the correct day when we would have 100,000 people log on. So we are able to do things like that. How are we trending up in terms of our Wi-Fi usage, and maybe make some predictions about when we'll hit other thresholds. In our roadmap looking forward, it seems that the Elastic Stack is going to be the cornerstone for a lot of our other initiatives. Boom.